All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at that, I got the Quantum NL Ursus from Shirogorov Knives here with me for a quick video, but hey, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, but most importantly, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this thing here that I got on the table, because this is the cheapest Shirogorov, I think, that is available to date. I'm not sure there's anything cheaper than this. This is like $625 plus tax, plus shipping, but still very reasonable. I mean, it's super expensive. It's crazy expensive, I know, but for what you're getting, I mean, you're getting the entrance ticket to the Shirogorov world, and that's not a steep price to pay, because, again, this is the cheapest, to my knowledge, of the 2022 lineup, and this is the Quantum NL with some pretty cool wood inlays going on over here. It's a titanium frame lock, Persian blade style profile. It's using Chromax PM steel. Nice, look at this deep carry pocket clip, hidden hardware, sporting a pretty cool standoff. This fella is running in on single row roller bearings, and it has some minimal internal milling to reduce the weight. But let's quickly check the size first, because this is a full size knife. Look at this, 4 inches for the cutting edge, and you get 5 inches for the handle length, for an overall length of a little bit under 9 inches. It is derived from the Quantum, which is like a 3-bear, so M390, internal milling, MRBS. This, it would be like a 1-bear knife, so there's limited milling, SRBS, and Chromax PM, so not like a high-end steel. The weight also is quite contained, because probably the absence of a backspacer, which of course adds a little bit, and the stock, it's not too thick. So you see, you're gonna have 4.44 ounces for this knife, which is a full-size knife. So it's not too heavy. So this is a very interesting one, because you get a departure from the $1,100 that is the Quantum, and you get something that is pretty much half the price. So is that bad? No, guys. The action is phenomenal. This is probably the best single row ball bearing system that I've ever tried. I mean, I cleaned up, I lubed it up, so it's just perfectly tuned. But look at this action, guys. Look at the smoothness of the blade when it's closing into the handle. It's just gorgeous. It's I mean, it's spectacular. The grip is great in the hand. The sound is also pretty cool. I mean, looks good, sounds good, feels good in the hand. It's a pretty good one, guys. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.